Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, frustration is boiling over at the University Hospital of the West Indies.
Nurses say overcrowding, insufficient beds and resource constraints are some of the measures that are creating an unsustainable working environment.
They staged a sickout on Tuesday in protest. Ramada Lyons reports.
Sick of it. The sentiment that fueled a sickout at the University Hospital of the West Indies Tuesday morning. An unsafe work environment, overcrowding, a lack of resources. Some of the issues nurses want scrubbed from the healthcare sector. This was the new emergency room, and it was Operation Set the Record Straight.
This is not about the money. So I don't want this to be twisted. This is about patient care. And the manner in which we have to be working is nothing near safe.
This is what's limiting safety.
We have no beds. We have to be medicating without medication. We have patients on the floor at this time. This cannot be acceptable.
Another says patient care isn't just about resources, but also the bodies on the ground at any given time to use said resources.
So if you have one nurse to 20 patients, some of those patients are going to be left behind. That's the truth. That's the hard truth. So one nurse can do so much and no more. So we want spaces on the ward and functioning beds on the ward that can take the patients from us at A&E.
On the list of what's lacking,
An ECG machine, needles, syringes, medications. We have to have patients there that need emergency medications and we cannot administer them because they are not available. Or some of us would walk to the wards to see if we could get them. We have patients to get blood and we have to walk the whole hospital just to source one blood line.
Just this month, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett spoke to the need for a properly functioning healthcare system.
Every time a visitor arrives in Jamaica healthy and leaves healthy, we have strengthened our brand. Every time a visitor encounters poor health standards, we have damaged our brand.
However, this nurse detailed several incidents where local patients were jeopardized just yesterday.
The place was so packed. I have a patient, an elderly 88-year-old patient with a right hip fracture. She was sitting in a wheelchair. I had a lady who came in from ectopic pregnancy. She was in a wheelchair. I had another patient who had diabetes and she was in what we call diabetic ketoacidosis. I had to put in what we call a urinary catheter. I had to put she in a wheelchair. I had to put the lady up her leg on the counter and one foot to the other side and a two nurse tried putting the urinary catheter. That is impossible.
We are expected to be functioning as octopus and we're expected to be giving total patient care in an emergency setting. This is the only emergency room that has a ward assigned to it.
It is not just a yesterday issue, it's a chronic issue here. We have been dealing with it and we have been trying to make blood out of stone and it's not, we just cannot do it anymore. We are fed up, we are tired, we are overstimulated, we are overworked.
Now, the Nurses Association of Jamaica says there's a continuous blame game on nurses when things go sideways.
I am awaiting further information from the university nurses, but I am told this morning that the morning shift did not relieve the night shift. And it's a gentle protest in relation to certain working conditions and the staff-patient ratio.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.